how are you?
Hey, great. I'm very excited. We have here two gentlemen, Jimmy Negron and David, Mr. They're from Italy. So
Excellent.
we're here to start some new knowledge we're planning to do here in this salon, Mildred Emmanuelli here, makeup designers. And we're now in the momentum with Barber. So that's why we're trying to get the best of the best. That's why they're here with me.
Okay, and this is Jimmy Negron. Jimmy, a little bit about the classes, please.
Las clases están relacionadas con color, corte, corte a navaja, perfección en la calidad del trabajo en la peluquería y ponerlos a la moda, un poco de todo lo que está pasando en el mundo entero. Porque igualmente soy entrenador del equipo de Puerto Rico para mundiales y me gustaría transmitirle todos esos conocimientos a todo el que quiera tenerlos.
Wow, so this is going to be the latest in trends. We're going to be speaking about the trends in Brazil and global trends. There's going to be a certification as well. Is that right, Mildred?
Yes.
And there's going to be, go ahead.
Yeah, that's right. So like that, they are going to have that certificate that is going to prove that they've been, completing this knowledge classes. That it's going to be a step in their life. That it's going to be amazing. It's going to be something else.
It's a global knowledge. And Jimmy, there's going to be mannequins there. Is that correct?
Yeah, mannequin and model too.
Oh wow.
Both.
Excellent. And plenty of products, correct?
Yeah, it's not.
What is that?
No, at that point, there's not that much left, but
Oh,
we
you
still have
sold
some
it.
Yeah, they're all gone today. We have some oil, some organic oils from San Diego. We got some organic soaps and whatever is left of the pomade. But
All right. And this
the
is your
product will come.
And this is your product, correct,
Yes,
David?
it's a product made in the United States, Supreme Grooming products.
Beautiful. So it looks like we have a winner here, Mildred. We're going to get those
Yes, we're
details
excited.
online and say goodbye to everyone. We'll see you online.
Bye.
Bye.
See you later.
See you soon.